Hello guys, this video I'm going to share one of the tips or best practice how to maintain the NuGet package version in our project. Let's go with on a simple example, then we can understand more clear about what I'm going to explain here. This is a sample project design. I have four different projects, the same solution. These four different projects shared with the NuGet package system.text.json. If the new version is coming, if I update the domain project, the new latest version of system.json, I have to update all the versions, business, UI, and database. The one way we can do it, for example, if you go to Solution Explorer, select the solution, right click, go to Manage NuGet Package for Solution. We can select the package and we can install all our project in one shot. This is a simple way. Most of them know this concept. What about other use case? If you go to the next use case, same solution, fine. But in our project contain multiple solutions. For example, GI development, they open the project. They don't want to interested domain related project. They want to only interested to the GI related. This package referring system.json. Domain related solution, they are referring also different component, same package version. If I open the GUI solution, I just update this one. So these two components get updated. What about the domain solution? It's not updated. So domain related project people, they open and they should update it. Again, it's a problem. It's mismatching, it will happen. Or maybe sometimes we miss this concept also, then we get warning issue. Or sometimes we get some exception also. So how to avoid it? We'll see in a real-time example to fix this problem. Go to the Visual Studio. Here you can see the list of my projects. All are my semantic kernel samples. All project referring the main package called Microsoft Semantic Kernel. This is a preview version. If the new version is coming, I have to update. As I mentioned earlier, I can go to the solution, I can update. This is the one way. The second way, different solution available, how to do that. Here I have created one folder called common lib. I created one file .targets. So the file name is library shared targets. If you open this one, here I created the tag project group. I added SK version and .NET also I added here. We focus on this SK version, semantic kernel version. I specified the version number here. The next, go to your project. For example, this speech demo. First, you have to import the project. Here you can see the import SK sample. This is my solution. This is my solution. From there, you refer common lib this project. So this project, this file get included in this project speech demo. The next, the package reference Microsoft Semantic Kernel, the version name here I hard coded. Hard coded means this package I directly refer from the NuGet. Instead of this version, I remove this one, put $, and you can just refer this SK version. That's it. If you go to other sample, here you can see I included like this SK version. First, you have to import the file. The second step, you have to refer the version number from your library file. Library means here library shared data target file you have to refer. Then you have to define the SK version. Once I change the version number here, so this version automatically get updated. Whoever referring this file, they get the version, latest version. The same way I did for the .NET also. Here I refer the .NET version 7.0. You can see this target framework .NET version. So if I updated the latest 8.0, then automatically all the project get updated to the latest version. This is a way we can maintain the NuGet package version throughout our project. Thank you.